PCSO official draw court at the PICC. This is your Philippine Lotto Draw. And here's your host, Mr. Julie Zacuga.
Magandang gabi Pilipinas at Happy New Year sa ating mga Lotto players. Welcome to the Philippine Lotto Draw. Araw po ng Martes, January 3, 2012. Lotto players, ihanda na mga tickets dahil mamimigay na naman po ang PCSO ng mga exciting cash prizes na magmumula sa Easy to Lotto, Sortress Lotto, 6-digit, Lotto 642 at Super Lotto 649 games. To start off, let's meet the chairman of our panel of judges. For tonight, we have Mr. Jovelan Sibunga. Makakasama din natin ang mga representatives from PCSO and Commission on Audit. And to assist us with the draws, we have our PCSO Draw Coordinator. Now, witnessin po ng ating panel of judges ang isinagawang pre-draw procedures kaninang hapon. Para sa highlights, narito po.
Sa gaganaping live draws, siniguro ng ating panel of judges and representatives from PCSO and Commission on Audit na maayos ang kondisyon ng draw machines na gagamitin. Only the operation of the remote switch button ang may human intervention. Sa random selection of draw balls, 3 sets ang pinagpipilian for each game. All balls in all sets have almost exactly the same weight. Lahat po ng bola ay tinimbang at covered po ito ng video. Tapos masiguro na ito ay kumpleto, ang chairperson lamang ang makakapag-load ng draw balls na gagamitin sa mga draws.
Pilipinas, maglalaro na po tayo. Ihanda na mga tickets para sa super papremyo ng Super Lotto 649. Philippines, ang ating Super Lotto Jackpot Prize ngayong gabi ay 38,593,252 pesos and 80 centavos. Kasama po natin draw coordinator and chairman of panel of judges as Mr. Sibunga. Please press that button and let's play Super Lotto 649. Maraming salamat po, sir. Makakasama po ulit namin kayong mamaya sa ating Lotto 642 draw. 6 out of 49 votes mong pipili nating Mega Gem para sa ating Super Lotto winning numbers. In any order po yan. Good luck po sa lahat ng may tickets tonight. And the first lucky number is number 42. Number 42, paalala lang po, kung kayo makatatanggap ng text o tawag, sasabihin ikaw ay nanalo sa loto, huwag pong maniwala. Kailangan po ng winning ticket para mag-claim ng kahit anong premyo. Here is the second number. Number 28. Number 28, kung swerte at manalo ang ticket mo, pirma na agad ang back portion ng inyong ticket at bukas sa bukas, i-claim na ang premyo sa mga loto outlets or dito sa PCSO main office. Here is the third number. Number 34. Number 34, at ang lagi po namin paalala sa lahat, ingatan mabuti ang inyong mga loto tickets. Bawal pong mabasa o mainitan. Napaka-sensitive po ng mga yan. The fourth number is number 46. Number 46, kung nakakaapat na numero na kayo, 1,000 pesos ang premyo. At kung makuha mo pa rin itong pang-5, 56,000 pesos na ang panalo mo. The fifth number is number 4. Number 4, kumpleto na po ang ating winning combination. Paglabas ito pang 6 na bola. Sana'y lucky number nyo na ang mapili. And for the sixth and final number, we have number 14. It is the number 1414. Philippines, here are the official Super Lotto winning numbers in any order. We have 42, 28, 34, 46, 4, and the number 14 in any order for the super jackpot prize of 38,593,252 pesos and 80 centavos. Multi-million premyo pa rin ang ipamimigay ng Lotto 642 game. Pilipinas, our Lotto 642 jackpot prize for tonight is 5,224,727 pesos and 20 centavos. Kasama po muli natin draw coordinator ang chairman ng panel of judges na si Mr. Sibunga. Please press that button and let's play Lotto 642. Maraming salamat po muli sa ating chairman and to the rest of our panel of judges sa pagiging bahagi ng paghahatid ng swerte. 6 hours. 42 balls po ang hihintay nating piliin na ating Mega Gem. Sino kaya ang mga suswerte na at magiging milyonaryo ngayong gabi? The first number is
Number 13.
number 13, 1-3. Sa mga ngayon lang nag-tune in, we are currently playing the Lotto 642 draw and waiting for the over 5 million peso winning combination. In any order po yan, here is the second number.
Number 1.
Number 1, para hindi nyo mamiss ang mga favorite Lotto games, mag-advanced draw system play, kung saan maaaring bumili ng tickets from
Number 31.
Number 31, para sa ating mga sweepstakes fanatics, maaari na po kayong bumili ng People Power Sweepstakes draw tickets. Gaganapin po ang draw nito sa February 26, 2012. The fourth number, Mr. Draw Coordinator is
Number 17.
number 17. Bukas po ang estimated jackpot at Grand Lotto 655 ay 76 million pesos. Mga tickets, wag na wag pong kalilimutan. The fifth number is
Number 21.
number 21. We are waiting for the sixth number to be drawn by the Mega Gem. Could this still be your lucky night? And to complete our Lotto 642 winning combination, the sixth and final number is
Number 38.
we have the number 38. Philippines, here are the official Lotto 642 winning number 18, 21, and the number 38 in any order for the jackpot price of 5,274,727 pesos and 20 centavos. Para po sa mga nagtatanong tungkol sa People Power Sweepstakes Draw, gaganapin po ito sa February 26, 2012. Mari na po kayong bumili ng ticket sa mga Lotto outlets, PCSO branch offices at sa mga favorite sweepstakes agents. Siguradong masagana ang bagong taon ng isang 6-digit player na nanalo na mahigit 10 million pesos sa 6-digit game last Saturday. Binili po ang winning ticket sa Teresa Rizal. Congratulations po! Okay, Luzon players, sino naman kaya ang suswertin tonight? Let's find out. Let's play the 6-digit game. We're now playing the 6-digit game, and we're going to start our first prize with a minimum guaranteed amount of 150,000 pesos per 10 peso play. To win the first prize, dapat makakuha nyo 6-digit winning combination in exact order. At maliban po sa first prize, excited din naman consolation prizes and 6-digit game ranging from 40 pesos all the way to 40,000 pesos per 10 peso play. Yan ay kung makuha mo ang first or last 2 to 5 numbers na mapipiling 6-digit winning combination in exact order. And there you have it, our 6-digit winning combination for tonight, sir. What is the first digit?
Number 9.
Number 9. The second digit is?
Number 9.
Number 9. The third digit, sir?
Number 4.
Number 4. Give us a fourth digit.
Number 3.
Number 3. The fifth digit is?
Number 4.
Number 4. Finally, the sixth digit, sir?
Number 1.
We have the number 1. Again, our 6-digit winning combination for tonight is 9, 9, 4, 3, 4, and 1 in exact order. Up next, cash papremyo ng Swertres Lotto Evening Draw. Luzon and Visayas Mindanao Swertres Lotto players, dito pa sa mga tickets. Kasalukuyan pong nilalaro natin ang prize and Swertres Lotto. Kaya dali rin pong manalo sumali dito. Matching the 3-digit winning combination in exact order wins you 4,500 pesos per 10 peso play. At sa mga bumili naman ng tickets using the Rambolito System Play, 750 pesos or 1,500 pesos per 10 peso play ang premyo nyo. At nakapili na ang ating digit machine, sir. And we have the first digit,
0.
we have a 0. The second digit is?
Number 7.
Number 7. Finally, the third digit, sir.
Number 7.
Another number 7. Double check your tickets. Our Swertres winning combination for tonight is 0, 7, and 7 in exact order. Para sa huling game ngayong gabi, ang papremyo mula sa 2 numbers ng Easy 2 Lotto. Easy too fast, dalawang numero mo sigurado may isang cash prizes na katapat. Ang dali po maglaro at manalo dito. Pumili natin isang numero sa bawat subsets ng Easy to Game panel, number from 1 to 31. Dito, isang 4,000 pesos per 10 peso play agad ang regalo mo kung mamatch mo ang mapipiling easy to winning combination in exact order. Pwede rin i-rumble ang mga numero nyo using the Rumble System Play. Ang prize po dito ay 2,000 pesos per 10 peso play. Ayan, at nakapili na ng Easy to Lotto winning numbers ang ating draw machines. Mr. Draw Coordinator, what is the first number?
Number 27.
It is the number 27, and the second number is
Number 12.
we have the number 12. Recapping tonight's Easy to Lotto winning numbers, we have the numbers 27 and 12 in exact order. Congratulations po sa lahat ng ating mga winners. Magkita-kita po ulit tayo. Bukas ang mga games natin, Easy to Lotto, Swertres Lotto, 4-digit, Mega Lotto 645 at Grand Lotto 655 na tinatansyang aabot o hihigit pa sa 76 million pesos ang jackpot. Make sure to have tickets for those games. Ngayon naman, Luzon at Visayas, Mindanao, silipin na natin ang resulta ng morning and afternoon Lotto draws.
Para sa nationwide Easy to Lotto 11 a.m. draw, ang winning numbers po ay 19 and 11 in exact order. Sa nationwide Swertres Lotto 11 a.m. draw, the winning combination is 1, 7, and 6 in exact order. For the nationwide Easy to Lotto 4 p.m. draw, the lucky numbers are 27 and 3 in exact order. And for the nationwide Swertres Lotto 4 p.m. draw, we have drawn the combination 2, 3, and 6 in exact order. Congratulations to all our winners.
At para naman po sa ating late tuners, ulitin ko po ang mga resulta ng katatapos na draw. Simulan natin sa Easy to Lotto winning numbers. We have 27 and 12 in exact order. Sa ating Swertres Lotto, we have 0, 7, and 7 in exact order. Sa ating 6-digit game, we have 9, 9, 4, 3, 4, and 1 in exact order. Sa ating Lotto 642, we have 13, 1, 31, 17, 21, and the number 38 in any order for the jackpot prize of 5,274,727 pesos and 20 centavos. At sa ating Super Lotto 649, we have 42, 28, 34, 46, number 4, and the number 14 in any order for the super jackpot prize of 38,593,252 pesos and 80 centavos. And according to our main computer center for our Super Lotto 649, we have no winner with a jackpot price of over 38 million pesos. At sa ating Lotto 642 draw naman po, ay wala rin tayong winner para sa jackpot price na mahigit 5 million pesos. Para sa PCSO, ako po si Dr. Junkie. Nagpapasalamat at magandang gabi sa inyo.